I think this will help everyone understand that not all universities, they have spring semester that start at this time. مرحبا عمر، كيف الدكتور عمر؟ مساء الخير. But I think it will help anyone to want to create educational videos or even marketing videos and other videos that can help showcase and get your audience as well benefit from whatever you want to tell them about. And today I will be doing a video for my students. My classes will start this week. So I want to create a video introducing my student to object-oriented programming course and tell them some information that maybe will help them study and know about the course. And later we'll be creating multiple videos to help them with each topic. My idea as well is to get them involved in writing and creating those videos. So I'm thinking to assign each group one topic and see how they will do with creating the videos the way we're going through. One thing, it will help them learn by going through the learning process, and the other thing, they will produce something will help other students. So مساء الخير دكتور عمر. محمد، كيف حالك؟ أنا حمد اسمي وليس عمر، ولكن ما شاء الله عليك محمد, you are always there. Maybe you saying Omar, there's someone else attending, his name is Omar. That can be as well, yeah, Muhammad. Okay, so are we on time? Yes, we are on time. And let me, before I do that, I need just to do a few things. Give me a few seconds, and then I'll be ready to start the session. You can see we are here. Just copy this. Share with this one. Good. Yeah. Now, videos are becoming important communication tools. You can see the engagement on videos is higher than the engagement on text or anything else, because video help people to communicate more information in a less time with more interesting ways. So knowing how to create those videos will not only help teachers and people who want to teach others, but also it will help anyone who want to communicate. Even a manager that wanted to communicate to his team, he or she can create a video that will make this easy to pass the information. Okay, so ready now. Where we start? So I am teaching a course called Object-Oriented Programming. I have the course syllabi here, and has, of course, the course code, credit, description, learning outcomes, week by week delivery plan, the way I'm going to teach, the teaching process. I have the text box related, I have the assessment of the course, and then I have something on attendance and how important is attendance and some other information related. So this is the description, and the course is about object-oriented programming. So let me share screen and take you through what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is my course outline, which has the details I discussed, course code, descriptions, learning outcomes, map to the program learning outcome, and assessment, Then I have the weekly study plan, each week what we will be teaching in terms of topics. And then I have also teaching method pedagogy that I'm going to use. Then teaching the textbooks and learning resources. Then here is the assessment strategy. We'll have a midterm, we'll have quizzes, we'll have final exam as well. This is the grade distribution. This is information about the attendance and importance of attendance and how to do it. Academic integrity and how important is the academic integrity and how we should deal with it. And this information that usually in a course syllabi that we need to give to the student. So how I can use it to create a video that introduces the course. I want the video to be short, and nowadays, as you know, people do not spend too much time watching long videos, especially young generation, as Professor Ghassan want to call them Generation Z. Generation Z, they cannot wait for a long video that an hour or something like that. They need a shorter video. So I want to condense this one in a short message to the student, and then I can later break it down into smaller videos. So 2 to 3 minutes is a good size for the video. So I want to start from somewhere. So I wrote, just to save your time, I just wrote a prompt here. Here is the prompt that I want to do. And this prompt, I'll make it big so you can see it. And you can use it, tailor it, do some changes so you can use it for your courses in the future. Let me just make it bigger so you can see it. So basically the prompt is, right, I'm asking ChatGPT or Gemini or what to call it, Copilot or anything of this generative AI to do this thing for me. So I wanted to create a script for me. And basically script is just giving me some information. You will see it about the video design and the components in the video and narrative on the video and things like that. So it's basically write a video script for the introduction of the CSC 202 course on object-oriented programming. So that's on the course. Highlight the necessity of object-oriented programming. I want my student to know why object-oriented is important and why we're studying it in this course, including key topics, and in that one, emphasize the critical role of hands-on practice. You want them to know that without practicing, things will not go. Ahmad, I can see your hand up. I'll come to you when I get the time. So you want to emphasize on the critical role of the hands-on practice throughout the course. If they don't practice programming, it will be difficult for them. Evaluation or assessment will consist of quiz, assignment, lab, project, and final exam. While AI tools will be leveraged, will be using it, will encourage the student to use it to learn, but I want them to know it's not for assessment. So use it to learn as much as you can, but they are not to be used for completing assignment, okay? Which the student every success. So this prompt I have here, now I'll put it in ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT will say. Okay. Now the sound, I think at your level, I think others may be hearing me very loud. I think at your level, I see someone has said, could you please increase the sound level? I think it's at your level, and please increase the speaker maybe, or find something to do with that. If others having an issue, just say in the chat, please, that you have an issue. But I think it's not that. Okay, so let's take this prompt and go to our friend ChatGPT and ask it to write for us the script. So let me close this one. I'll come here. I need to minimize this window. It's too big. I'll come here. and bring it here. So we'll just paste it there and ask ChatGPT to create the script for us. Now it is kindly working on it. So what it said at the beginning, you can see the script, and then we will go and use it. Now there are tools there, you can just give them the script, will create for you a video. It will not be the one we're looking for, which I will show you why it will not be the one. So the video, let me see if someone else saying, we can hear you clearly. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Okay, so now, it's saying to me an opening scene that will come, soft background music playing, visual, dynamic, and engaging coding environment, transition to a welcome message. Now, sometimes I don't follow these advices. I'll show you my own technique. With these tools, you need to build your own way to do it. Once you do it, just stick to your way. So that will speed up your processing. But also, you can use this here. This is the narrative that will be playing a sound. So welcome to CSE object-oriented programming, a pivotal journey into the world of modern software development. And then there's a cut, and then there is the instructor will come here and say, hello, future developers, I am blah, blah, blah. And then this give me some ideas to what see in the screen, and further voice over or instructor text. What I usually do, I just copy the instructor text or narrative, this one. I just copy these things, copy this, copy this one, where you have the narrative on the instructions. You just copy these parts, yeah, and then I put it into a file. This is where I copied all of it. Now, I just created one already there, not to waste your time watching me doing this, but this is the one I created. Of course, I edited it a little bit to make it fit what I want to do. So it's saying here, hello, welcome to Gateway to Mastering Object-Oriented Programming. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of object-oriented isn't just academic requirement. Yeah, it's saying, explain this here. So this text now, I need to convert it to a voice. Someone will say it. So what are the tools I need to use? Let me again look at if someone has raised any issue. Okay, nobody. Okay. Now, what tools I need to use? I have created for you an image here that tells you what tools I'll be using. I'm using ChatGPT. Gemini I can use also, which the Google equivalent to ChatGPT. I can also use Copilot. If you do copilot.microsoft.com, you will be able to log in with your company name and you will get ChatGPT. Copilot and ChatGPT are almost the same because Copilot is Microsoft using ChatGPT because they invested in OpenAI 10 billions or something like that. And now they are using their service to do that. So you go copilot.microsoft or gemini.google or chat.openai.com. You go there and you will be able to do what to do. Now, to convert this voice to a human voice, the text with maybe their picture, someone moving, there are three tools you can use. Any of the three tools is fine. DID, Synthesia, and Hygiene. I'll show you the three of them. So if you use DID, let me go here and say, let's move this DID. This is the DID. Of course, these things are not always free. You need a subscription, and that subscription is needed. So I came here. This is the DID. What I can do, I say click here on create a video. I select an actor, can be me or someone else or someone from the library here. You just need to put your pictures if you want you to appear there, and then the system will take care. So I take this person, for example, and I go back to the text. This is my text. I'll just copy it and come here and put the text here. Now I need to select the voice. I can try different voices. Listen to this one, Adam from United States. This is how he sounds. Takes a little bit.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming, OOP. In today's digital age, understand...
Yeah, he sounds firm, and I'm not sure if you're hearing this clearly, but let me optimize it, share computer sound. Now, if I do it again, maybe you will hear it much better because you can hear computer sound. Yeah. Now you don't...
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming, OOP. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of OOP isn't just an act.
Yeah, so you don't see his lips moving because during the trial or during the development, you don't see that one. But now I will show you one I created with my photo. Okay, this is me, and look at this.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming, OOP. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of OOP isn't just an academic requirement.
So this is me. I can do that. If I use the other tool called Hygiene, I can create another one which more realistic. This is actually a video of me, and then I use the video to make me talk about anything. With any language. I can speak now any language needed, and the system selected matches my voice and find me something closer, but I could have made it exactly my voice. But I don't want my student to be tired of me hearing me again, but let's see anyway.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming, OOP. I'm instructor's name, and I'll be guiding you through this fascinating journey of discovery and learning. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of OOP isn't just an academic...
So honestly, this is not me. It's me and not me, yeah? It's me in terms of I appear like it's me. Well, let's go Hygiene to show you this Hygiene, how it works. And it's not me in terms of this accent is not my actual accent to do, but it's closer to it somehow. So here it's similar thing. You just record of yourself 1 minute, and then you upload it here. The system will learn you and will move your lips, your hand, the way you do it. And then you can put on it any text, any sound, any language. I can sound American, British, Indian, any language I want to be. I can become Barack Obama or become Donald Trump or something like that. The voice you can build on it any voice you would like to do, and some more realistic voices. Once I create these two files, I need only one of them. I'll use this one. Although I don't look.
It's a necessity.
But I'll use this one. Once I created this one, now I need to create the video. I have someone talking, and then I need to make it more engaging, where I can show on the screen some student working on programming. I want to display some key messages on the screen. I want to maybe show some code on the screen, whatever I want to do. I want to make it look really better than just me talking or someone else talking. So what I'll do, I need another tool to do. Now, so far we used how many tools? We used, and you need ChatGPT. That will be enough. You don't need the two other if you want. You need one of this. It depends. I'll use the ID, the one I used. And then you need Canva. And optionally, you can use Caption. Caption will translate it to any language. So if I created in English, I wanted to be in any other language, I can use Caption, will be there. If my labs will be talking with other language, and I can add subtitles in English, Arabic, anything. I'll show you. This is very easy to do. The Canva will take a little bit of time, but it will create something nice. So let's go now and go to Canva. What is Canva? There is Canva, and there are 3 others you can use. They are same, or there are many, but these are the 3 famous one: is Canva, or GoDaddy Studio, or Microsoft Designer. The 3 of them will do the same thing. If you want to complicate it on yourself, you can go into Adobe Premieres, you can go into iMovie, you can go into so many tools, but you don't need these complicated tools. You can do a nicer job using this one. And let's now see how to do that. We'll go here on Home. After you go in Canva, you click on New Design. I'll go for video. Now you can decide you wanted Instagram Reel, you wanted story. I am more into this one, the video, which 16:9, and let's do that one because I am already familiar with it. So this is the one here. What I need to do, I need to take that voice I created, watch me here, and drag it.
Hello and welcome to CSC.
Okay, so I am here. Now, if I want to appear on the screen, it's uploading it, yeah? It takes a few minutes to upload it. I didn't show you how you create it, yeah? Maybe I did jump a little bit. After I added the voice and any of this, I'm just moving it because there are things on the screen. Basically, I click here, generate video, and it will do some work and then generate it for me. So generating is easy. Just you add the text, you listen to it at the beginning. You can add some spaces if you want some pause in between, and you can put some also other things like you want to add a break in between. You can add, you select for how long the break. You just do those small things, and then you click generate, the video is generated. Once it's generated, you bring it and dump it here. Okay? So what can we do with this one? If I want my photo to appear at the beginning, I can come in Canva here called Elements and look for something called Frame. I will show you what that frame means. Frame is you can put it within a frame. So you want, for example, to put the photo of this person who is me, in a circle. So it looks there now. Okay. So you can have me start like this at the beginning, in the middle. Okay. That's fine. So now what you need to do, you need to start listening to the video and cutting it into pieces. Why? Because in each section we'll add some video graphics and other things. Let me show you what I mean. So let me listen to the video.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming.
Okay. This is the time.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202.
Okay, I'll cut it here. Okay. Now this part will appear like this. Now in the remaining, I would like to do something different. Let me show you the way I do it, and then later with the time you'll master your own way. So I'll put on this one of these things on top of it and hide myself. I don't want to appear the whole video, and just do it this way. So I'm not appearing now in the remaining part of the video. I will change this one to white background. I love white background. That's me. Now I'm still in the background, yeah? So if we start listening here, and let's listen.
Gateway to mastering object-oriented programming.
Okay, I can cut this part, and I want to put a message here saying, I want to show the course code and this message, okay? So I'll go back to my text here, And this is the text. This is what he is saying. So it's saying CS, I'll take this one, yeah, text. I'll add the text here. Now I'll repeat this multiple times, you'll get used to it. So I'll put this one here, and I'll put as maybe beside it, object-oriented programming, okay? And then I can just make it like this. The good thing with Canva is easy to move things around. So I'll go and just make it maybe 65, okay? Yeah. And then I need to bring that message here down, which is saying mastering, okay? Your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming. So I'll come here, I'll add it here. And now let's do it this way. And you come here, and I'll make it red, for example, okay? Or I can even do further. I'll add to it a background, this one. So let's do a background, send this one position, send to back, okay? I think what I should do, that's fine. Let me add the background, add this one here. Okay, now it's here, it's good. Now I'll take it like this. And let's make it another color, maybe this color, and make the font white color. So you can click here and you change the font, okay? Maybe you want to make it look like this, okay? So that will come on the screen. Your should be, okay. So far we are here. So we'll go back and listen. Oh, sorry. I did this one. Let me delete it. Okay, let's listen.
Gateway to Mastering Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of OOP isn't just an academic requirement.
Okay, let me cut this one and let's bring some nice video that shows student doing some coding, okay? So here, programming lab, okay? See, if you search in Elements programming labs, you have so many things. You get graphics, you get photo, you get videos. And these are some videos here with someone doing some coding. You notice this one is now 6.8 seconds. If you look down here, 6.8 seconds. Now I need a video that is 6.8 seconds. Doesn't have to be exactly 6.87, can be more than that. So I'll take this one, for example. This guy is coding and put him here. And I'll make it big here. Okay. Fill the screen with it. And then you notice here, you have edit video. I can click here on edit video on the time and put 6.8. Now this part became 6.8. Now, if we go back to the beginning and watch this one so far.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, Gateway to Mastering Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of OOP isn't just an academic requirement, it's a necessity. This course is designed.
Okay. This word necessity. I can just take this one, cut this, and come here and go to the text and add another text and come to mine and use that necessity word and bring it here. Okay. Now that's there. Let's go.
It's a necessity. This
necessity has to be bigger. So I can come here and make it 80. Yeah, it's 80. It's very nice. Yeah.
Necessity. This course is designed to dive deep into the heart of programming.
Then I can cut this one. And now let me do something nicer. I'll go back to the text and we'll say this course, this cut I did is a little bit early, so I remove it. Let's say
Dive deep into the heart of programming, where you'll learn to think and solve problems in ways that are both efficient and scalable.
let's look at the text. Just I want, yeah, and scalable. Bold, scalable. Okay, let's cut here, and I'll come here and bring that text and put it here on the screen. If you click this one, you will indent to right or to left. I want it to be like this. Of course, I want to remove space here and make it in the middle. Now I'll do some nice animation now on this text. So if I click here and see animation, there are so many animation, one of it typewriter. I like the typewriter. It does when it talks, it keeps typing. It looks like that. And I'll use on center. So I want it on enter when it enter the text. Now this here will work fine. If I come back here.
This course is designed to dive deep into the heart of programming, where you'll learn to think and solve problems in ways that are both efficient and scalable.
I think students, when they see these things coming on the screen, they better maybe understand and follow things. But let's do that, and then later we'll see. Now,
where you'll learn to think and solve problems in ways that are both efficient and scalable. We'll cover key topics including classes and objects.
Now this is good. I will do this. I come here and do one thing. I'll add classes and object to come on the screen. And let's come here and add a text. Classes and object, just in case you these are the topics, classes and objects, and make it bigger. We could give it a background as we did before and make it appear like coming from somewhere by using the animation part, which we can make it, but we don't need to do that. Now, just showing you this one, and later I'll edit it further. So this is classes and
topics including classes and objects. Inheritance.
Okay, I want to bring inheritance here. So one way I can do this, I'll take this one here, copy. I'll come to this one and do there and take inheritance from here. This is one of the important concepts we will do in the course. Now the student will be wondering what is inheritance, but we will explain it in the course.
Inheritance, polymorphism.
Yeah. Polymorphism is here. I'm doing it with you because I will be using it for my student. Okay, so I have to do it because I will use it later. I'm not doing it just for the demo. Now we'll go back later and fix all the sizes to be the same and make it consistent, because consistency is important. But I made one mistake, you noticed? Which good I made it, so you can see my error. Now, when I added morphism, I should have added here, not there. Okay, so I should come here and add it here, and let me make it 80, and be 80 is my standard for all those texts later when I do it. Okay.
Abstraction and
abstractions is little faster.
Abstraction.
Abstraction. Split. And again, we'll copy this, put it here, put it there. You just need patience. If you don't have patience, you will just stop doing it. But I have somehow some patient.
and encapsulation.
Encapsulation. Now we spoke about the topics covered in the course. And we can say,
Abstraction,
okay, abstraction, correct. Encapsulation. Where is my text? Here is encapsulation. Now I could have created some questions for the student later.
each concept will not only be discussed theoretically, but also applied practically through hands-on exercises.
Okay, now I need to put some video. Go back here and say programming lab. And let's find us some videos that we do. Now, there's one good thing here. They have an AI that can create a video for you. I'll show you what I mean by that. If I want to create a video with special description, say, create a video of group of students in the lab practicing programming. Practicing programming, okay? And this is the description of it. And I can say, sorry, clicked on image, sorry, sub. I need video. So you have image or video. I could have done this one as an image if I want. I say create, it will create an image, but I want a video. So I click there and say generate a video. Now it will create for me a video with student doing programming. And instead of going to the elements and searching for a video there, I can generate the video. It takes time. This is why I didn't do it, because I want something little faster. But let's do it anyway while we have already done that one. So in summary, what we did so far, we created a script using ChatGPT. Then we took the script in DID or any of those tools. We created the avatar or the person who is reading that text. And then we put it in Canva. We took it now and we cut it into pieces to add different graphics and different illustrations and things like that. And then our video will be ready. And we can use it in whatever we want to use it. Now we'll see this video. I asked it to create. We'll see, it'll take a little bit sometime. But the good thing with Canva, it's using AI to generate for you images, videos. You can ask it to do a PowerPoint presentation, complete one for you. It will do that one. They have something called Magic there, which AI will build for you whatever you want to do. But for me, I found this process is more meeting exactly what I need, and I can make the video focused more better than just using create a video for me. And let's see, yeah, here is it. And so it came with a video with some student doing programming there. I can use it here. Okay, so this video is only 4 seconds. The video is only 4 seconds. The spot I have is 7.5 seconds. So I can maybe cut this one and do, but I'm not going to use this one. Let me search for something, and later if I don't find, I'll use it. So we'll do this one. Okay, so this one looks nicer because multiple screens and students are sitting together. So this one will take, we'll make it 7.5. Okay, because it looks very nice. This one has bigger screen and it looks in a nice lab. But if you describe it better, you'll get better.
Be discussed theoretically, but also applied practically through hands-on exercises. The critical role of hands-on practice cannot be overstated.
Okay, this is a message I wanted to appear on the screen because for me, practice is very important. So let's go back and find this, the hands-on, the critical role of hands-on cannot be overstated. Okay, let's come bring it here. And now we will make it this way. And then I'll move it a little bit. You will expect that I'm going to add some animation to it and make this one 80. Okay. And let's put it, 80 is too much, 70. Okay. And now I'll add animation. I'll make it right. And I'll make it only on the on enter. The reason for an enter, it looks nicer. Otherwise, it will later show it's going away. Anyway.
Practice cannot be overstated. Throughout the course, you'll engage in various labs and assignments that will challenge you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios.
Okay. Now here I can either cut this one into bars. Okay. But let's
engage in various labs and assignments that will challenge you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios.
Okay. This again, I could have done exactly the same. I take this one with its animation and bring it here and add it and lab and assignment. Okay, and let's use the same thing he is saying so we can reinforce what the student is hearing. Okay,
that will challenge you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Evaluation will consist of quizzes to
here, this is the evaluation. So we'll add here. Let's split this one. It said already quizzes. And we can do one thing here. We can search for an element about quizzes. See if we find some elements, graphic saying quizzes. We can use some of those here. Yeah, quizzes. But this is maybe not the best one, but we can say test quiz. Yeah, this is maybe test quiz. We put this one here. The good thing in Canva, if you resize like this, it will not play with the image you have. It will keep it nice. Okay.
Evaluation will consist of quizzes, test your understanding, assignments, and labs.
Oh, yeah. The quizzes, I have went a little bit fast in cutting it.
Evaluation will consist of quizzes to test your understanding, assignments, and labs.
To test your understanding.
Test your understanding.
Okay, I'll just stop here. So I want this and add this one here and take it to the corner, bring it here, and then go like that. So this quiz, okay.
Of quizzes to test your understanding, assignments, and labs.
Yeah, this assignments and labs, we can add two texts here only maybe. We'll play with it later. So quizzes, assignment, and labs. Assignment and labs, yeah. And make it bigger, 75. Okay, assignment and labs. And then
labs, apply your knowledge. A comprehensive project that brings all your learning together.
Yes.
Comprehensive project that brings all your learning together.
Yeah, we need project now. Let's see if we find some elements here about project. Okay. This looks nice, but let me find if there's a video there. and the student doing something. Yeah, they're working together. This looks very nice. If I add this one and cut it to 5, because that was 5, and then make it bigger, see? So like the group working together on the project.
Project that brings all your learning together, and of course, a final exam.
This is the final exam, which may be something exam. Okay. 2.3, yeah? So this will make it 2.3, 2.3, and we'll make it like, now when you cut something, there's something I want to show as well. You can play with, move this one around, sorry, come here, cut it, yeah. You can move this one to select the section you wanted better to appear and become 2.3. Because the video is too long, maybe this is not the best video that we can use. Is this an exam? You can find, you spend your finding the best. Maybe this is not the best. This one looks better. 2.3, 2.3, and we will just make it like that. It depends on your patient.
Final exam. To enhance your learning experience, we'll leverage AI tools.
AI tools. This is my favorite one. We'll come here and say AI. We'll find some crazy AI moving around and doing something interesting. Oh, this one, 4.8. I looked at it before putting this one, it was 4.8. So we'll do this, which will confuse. Okay, you can play with, again, later you can move it. Let's just this edge here, okay?
We'll leverage AI tools. These tools are here to aid your understanding and provide insights into complex problems.
Yeah, I'll cut here because I want to emphasize on the last part, that the student should not use it for assessment, for doing their work. Let me cut this one first. Okay, so your ability, a comprehensive, bring your, okay, that's we done. To enhance your learning, we will find these tools, complex problems. Okay, very good. Let's put it here. And again, do like this, do this, and make it 75. And again, if you want, we can animate it. And how we animate it, sorry, animation. This is the one I love, as you know now, but there are others I mix them to do. But if it's a long sentence, this will work perfect.
Your understanding and provide insights into complex problems. However, remember, they are not to be used for completing your assignments.
Yeah, this is very good message. Now I want to emphasize on it, so I can do this and come here and add maybe warning. Let me find some warning sign. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong place. Warning. No. Some warning. You can get a graphic or an image. Graphic. Warning. Okay, I don't know if this is a good thing to have. but let's do it here. Okay, and then come and get the text, and we'll add this text here, and we'll put it here, split it like that, and we'll come here and see what we're saying. Back. Okay, you come here, I'll get this one, but remember, we will make it right to left, and we do this here and make the number a red one. And also I like to make it red like this. Okay, I can make remember even bigger. This is good enough. Okay.
They are not to be used for completing your assignments.
Now, completing your assignment. Not completing your assignment. Yeah, that's all what we need. I'm adding some extra thing that I don't need. In fact, this is even better now. Okay.
Assignments. Integrity and honesty in your work will prepare you for the real challenges ahead.
Yeah, this again is an important topic. Now, putting it as a text may be the right thing to do, but we can look at other things. Integrity. Now we are getting my student hopefully to be aware that I'm encouraging AI for learning, not really for not learning. Okay, I think this will be good. Yeah, like this. Yeah, okay.
You for the real challenges ahead. I wish you every success in this course and the semester.
Okay, let me bring myself back here. So because I said something, I wish you, I want to come back. Where is me? Here is me. So now I'm back here. So you look at.
In your work will prepare you for the real challenges ahead. I wish you every success in this course and the semester. Embrace the challenges, and let's explore the vast possibilities of object-oriented programming together. Here's to a journey of growth, innovation,
Okay.
for the real challenges ahead. I wish you every success in this course and the semester. Embrace the challenges, and
Yeah, this embrace the challenges, I don't want to leave it like that. I want to bring some video about challenge. Challenge. And see if there's a video shows someone feeling challenged. Search for challenge. Not that much. Graphics. Image. A new challenge. Challenge yourself. Yeah, this nice image about challenge yourself. Embrace the challenge and bring it here and take it there. Challenge yourself. Okay, good.
success in this course and the semester. Embrace the challenges, and let's explore the vast possibilities of object-oriented programming together.
Yeah, another one maybe. Let's see if there's something about object-oriented programming. Now, all these videos, you have the right to use them. Oh, these are very nice things. Let's see a video about object-oriented programming. That anything specific? Not that much. Videos are, yeah, this one I like it. This guy is, what are you doing? this one. So let's go back. It's 4.6. So 4.6. And we are here to do this. You like it?
Challenges. Let's explore the vast possibilities of object-oriented programming together. Here's to a journey of growth, innovation, and discovery.
Okay. Last thing, positive message. See, I wish every success. Master. Let's explore object. Here is one, and we are almost there with our video. Now, make this a bit longer, little. And increase it little bit. Okay, that's good.
Innovation, and discovery. For any questions or further assistance, please feel free to reach out.
Yes, this is finally now I'm calling them to reach out. So I'll put my contact information.
Let's make this semester a remarkable one.
Yeah, I like the last one, but
Please feel free to reach out.
okay. Now here I'll put my contact information. I'll do this. I'll add my contact information. So this is my email. edu.ac.ae. Maybe put my name on top. Maybe it's obvious. You don't need my email on top. I don't know my office number, if you believe it or not, because I don't use office phone. I have an office number. We'll find it sometime.
For assistance, please feel free. Let's make this semester.
Yeah, this message is nice. And we are almost there with our nice course. So let's make this semester, this semester is 75. Go like that. Now, make it maybe red. I don't know. I just decided to make it red. Now we're done with this one. Let's add the last thing is our Abu Dhabi University message. We have a message. You heard it multiple times. I can't find it now. Here is it. This is our message.
Abu Dhabi University, 20 years of shaping the future.
Allah will shape the future for many years, not only. Now I want this background to match the one background. Done. Now, do I need music? If I want music, if you want music, yeah? Say here music, and then you will get audio, and you can select which music you want to do and drop it down. Now, I'm not going to add the music. I'll leave it as it is. And let's generate the video. It will take now sometime, not that long, to generate the video. And let me, while it does that one, get some of your questions. Now, I can see a question here. Canva again. Yes, Canva. Are you using the free version of Canva? No, I'm not using the free Canva version. This is a paid version, but the free one you can do. I don't know what exactly the difference, because I've been using the paid version for a long time. So I'm not sure what to do. Okay, I can see some hands up. Lots of, I like your joke. Your students are lucky to have you. Thank you. This is worrying in some context. Thank you a lot. Okay, these are all nice. Let's see the hands up. If someone wanted to ask a question, then we'll do that. I can see only one hand is Imad. Imad, from the beginning, your hand is up. I'm not sure if it is current one or you just, you can unmute your microphone if you want. Now the video is ready, by the way. And let's listen to the video before we do anything else. Here is the video.
Hello and welcome to CSC 202, your gateway to mastering object-oriented programming, OOP. In today's digital age, understanding the principles of OOP isn't just an academic requirement, it's a necessity. This course is designed to dive deep into the heart of programming, where you'll learn to think and solve problems in ways that are both efficient and scalable. We'll cover key topics including classes and objects, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Each concept will not only be discussed theoretically, but also applied practically through hands-on exercises. The critical role of hands-on practice cannot be overstated. Throughout the course, you'll engage in various labs and assignments that will challenge you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Evaluation will consist of quizzes to test your understanding, assignments and labs, to apply your knowledge, a comprehensive project that brings all your learning together, and of course, a final exam. To enhance your learning experience, we'll leverage AI tools. These tools are here to aid your understanding and provide insights into complex problems. However, remember, they are not to be used for completing your assignments. Integrity and honesty in your work will prepare you for the real challenges ahead. I wish you every success in this course and the semester. Embrace the challenges, and let's explore the vast possibilities of object-oriented programming together. Here's to a journey of growth, innovation, and discovery. For any questions or further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Let's make this semester a remarkable one. Welcome aboard CSC 202.
Abu Dhabi University. 20 years of shaping the future.
Okay, and that's it. Now, what we can do, if I want to translate it to Arabic or to any other language, I can use caption. And let me just show you the caption quickly before we close. So this way we covered everything. Now, if you go to caption is another software that you can use to translate any video to anything. So the person in the video will be speaking another language. So if I click here and go to download, this is the video I created. Now it's going to upload it. Once it uploaded, I can select which language I want it to be, what text, where the text will appear, how color they will be, those Arabic translation, and do I want to translate the voice over as well, or I want just only text illustration. Will take few minutes. I'll show you how this one works. I think it's another amazing thing you can do if you want to move your video to any language, or you want to add subtitles to it, more engaging subtitles. So caption is the tool that you can use. This is live. I saw someone saying, is this live? Yeah, it is live. We have done it live together. And the session is live. Okay. Yeah. Now done. So this is the video we did. Now when it comes here into caption, that's our video. We can select if we want to translate it to another language. If I want to translate it to Arabic, now I can select if I want my voice to be translated to Arabic, or I want only subtitle. Let me do both, my voice and subtitle. Now it's doing its magic to convert it to the Arabic version or any other language you want to do. And then it will show me the design to decide how I want the text. The subtitles will appear on the screen. And then I will decide and then export the video. We'll have a video in Arabic language. Everything I said in English, it's in Arabic. We teach only in English, so we don't need the Arabic one. But this can be useful to share it on the social media for our Arabic community who want to learn programming, and they may be finding, some of them finding the language is not, is a barrier. So we'll have a new version now in Arabic. Now, sometimes the Arabic is not the best, I have to say, but if you're looking for the outcome, then you should be happy. Now doing takes time because this is a big process. It will take around 5 minutes, yeah, to do this, because it's now doing the voiceover, which more challenging. And the amazing thing is not only the voiceover, it's also the appearance. You will see me speaking in Arabic, and everything becomes really in Arabic, which amazing. Next week, we'll be talking about the future of AI, and the future will be amazing. You will see in the future real movies happening through AI completely. The actors are not there, they are not existent. And that's something fabulous and crazy and whatever you want to describe it to be. I want to share this one. I know some of you maybe want to go. You can watch the recording later, but if you want to see the outcome, you will be amazed. So just wait to see what will come from this captions software. I'm glad to see that many of you joining us today and continue joining us every day. I hope you're benefiting from these sessions. I should send you the evaluation to get your feedback. Let me find it while you do that. While you're watching this one, we will share with you the evaluation. Change user. Now, as you know, we have on also Thursday, there is a session going on. Last week, we had Professor Hassan gave an amazing presentation on how to, now we are done on this one. But let me just, before we are done, share with you on the chat, the link. Chat here. Okay, here is it. This is the link for the evaluation. I will also post it on the people on LinkedIn. If you can give us your feedback, we're doing this for you, hoping that we're adding value to all of you and you finding this useful. So let us know if that's the case, or if you need us to do something more. Okay, now we are here. Now let's look at this. So what it did now, if I play it, see. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Here, listen.
مرحبا وأهلا بكم في CSC 102 بوابتك لإتقان البرمجة القائمة على الكائنات OOP. في عصرنا الرقمي الحالي فإن فهم مبادئ OOP ليس مجرد متطلب أكاديمي، بل هو ضرورة. تم تصميم هذا الدور للغوص عميقا في قلب البرمجة، حيث ستتعلم التفكير وحل المشكلات بطرق فعالة وقابلة للتطوير. سنغطي المواضيع الرئيسية بما في ذلك الفئات والكائنات، الوراثة، التعدد الأشكال، التجريد والتغليف. لن يتم مناقشة كل مفهوم فقط نظريا، ولكن يتم تطبيقه عمليا من خلال التمرينات العملية. لا يمكن التحجج كثيرا بالدرجة.
لاحظت إنه الآن قام بالترجمة. أقدر أغير هنا مثلا إذا لاحظت إنه قال كلمة غير مناسبة، أقدر أجي هنا وأغيرها. مثلا الكائنات، الترجمة للعربي للتقنيات هذه فيها نوع من الصعوبة، لكن تستطيع تغير أي كلمة تكتبها، تعدلها، هنا موجودة، وتضبطها بالشكل اللي تحبه. أيضا النصوص اللي تظهر هي I'm speaking now Arabic. I don't know why I switched it to Arabic. This text here can all change, but also the way it appear on the screen, you can change it. You can use a different format. If you want this format, this one bigger little bit with some more text. So you can play with all this different font and so on. I like more this one because it just
عميقا في قلب البرمجة، حيث ستتعلم التفكير وحل المشكلات بطرق فعالة وقابلة للتطوير. سنغطي المواضيع الرئيسية بما في ذلك الفئات والكائنات، الوراثة، التعدد الأشكال، التجريد والتغليف. لن يتم مناقشة كل مفهوم فقط.
طيب وهكذا. أنا شفت إنه قال I saw somewhere said الدورة. I think نسميها المساق بدل الدورة مثلا. المساق وإلى ذلك. You can modify it. You can add additional images to it if you want. You can break it. You can do more things on this one. And once you finish, you just say export it, and you will get a new version in another language. So how beautiful is this? Yeah. You do it once and you get it on so many languages. Now I need to see if you have Imad, your hand is still up. I'm sure you just can't remember that you put your hand up. So I'm lowering your hand. Okay. Okay, I think we're done today. I can see there are many questions here. Are there any free versions of the software? Yes, all of them they have. Canva has a free version. There is a Microsoft Designer, is almost the same. If you go into Copilot and Copilot, where is my Copilot? If you go into Copilot and you can use Designer here, Copilot again, it's free for all Office users. You can ask it to draw anything, and then you click on it. It takes you to edit it and takes you in a place where you can do that. Or go designer.microsoft.com also will do that. There is the GoDaddy Studio will be there. Canva has a free version, but also if you get one version, you can get a team version. So 3 of you can work on the same account. I think 3 or 5. So that will make it more cost effective. You want to do, you are 2 teachers, 3 teachers. And again, the good thing, if you are teacher or faculty, if 2 of you or 3 of you on the same account, you can help each other, or you can decide and reuse what's being created by the other teachers. So that can help. Yes, there are. Okay. The other question, how to make it an interactive? Yeah, if you want to make it interactive, there are other tools you can put it in where you can add questions to it. H5P, for example, you can go into a certain place and put a question or ask a student to put an input. And based on the input, they will go the next level or jump to another level. H5P, if you want to know that one, h5p.org. This will make you create any interactive video and become something like this. You can do memory test if you want and things like that. So H5P is another tool. I'm not sharing screen. I'm sorry, I didn't do that. Where is it? Do I share screen? No, I didn't share screen. Let me show you with sharing screen. H5P, here is H5P. This is H5P. If you go H5P, you can make any video interactive. So you add questions inside, you add activities, you make students solve a problem and put the answers, and then the video move to the next level or stop. So these tools you can use to make the video interactive. There is another one I used long time ago, but now I lost the name. But H5P is free and you can use it, and it's a very good tool. Thank you so much. This is amazing opportunity. I'm wondering if you use ChatGPT. It is also having, yeah, DALL-E. Yeah, you can use DALL-E to create some images and use the images inside your video if you want. But Canva will give you much better images than DALL-E, I have to say. But you're free to use whatever. There was tools for Google called text-to-speech. There's so many text-to-speech, but the quality of DID, Synthesia, and Hygiene are different level to look at it, honestly. But there's so many, and they are there for many years, the text-to-speech. They're not new. But now the quality is different. You feel it's a really human, sound like human. The translation is so good. Thank you. Okay, good. I'm happy that you find the translation useful. Is there any step-by-step visual manual for this? Hopefully, I will do one. We all recorded those webinars, and you can go through them step by step, but we can create text maybe for those who like to do that. And now we can get AI, maybe go read it and create text of that. We'll see how things will go. Anyway, thank you very much for joining. I know we took a little more time, but I hope you find it useful and let us know your feedback as well. Thank you. Have a good night and a great week ahead, inshallah. Thank you.